Hello everyone at Parkwood. Hope everyone's keeping safe and well, keeping indoors. I hope you're all getting logged on to Teams and starting to do your work and emailing your teachers, letting us know what you need help with, letting us know what you need more information on, and let us know how you want challenging while you're at home. Enjoy today's assembly.
Good morning, Parkwood Academy. Today I'm here to do a quick assembly for you on World Earth Day.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's assembly. Today's assembly theme is Earth Day 2020. Earth Day was founded to make people think about the planet and how we look after it. Today, more than 192 countries around the world take part in Earth Day.
Earth Day helps people to think about the things humans do that harm the Earth and how we can make things better.
Things like plastic pollution,
And cutting down too many trees.
When areas are harmed, it affects the plants and animals that live there.
it's dangerous to wildlife and can lead to animals, birds and insects becoming extinct.
4 types of tigers have become extinct due to humans harming the earth and hunting the animals.
On Earth Day, people do things to make Earth better. Here is a garden being planted in Israel.
2020 marks the 50th anniversary of Earth Day. To mark 50 years, Earth Day Network has set a goal of planting 7.8 billion trees this year, 1 tree for every person on Earth.
The theme for Earth Day 2020 is climate change.
Today I'm appealing for leadership from politicians, from business and scientists, and from the public everywhere. We have the tools to make our actions effective. What we still lack, even after the Paris Agreement, is the leadership and the ambition to do what is needed. And what makes all of this even more disturbing is that we were warned. Scientists have been telling us for decades, over and over again, and far too many leaders have refused to listen. And far too few have acted with the vision the science demands. And we see the results. In some situations, they are approaching scientists' worst-case scenarios. The world's richest nations are the most responsible for the climate crisis, yet the effects are being felt first and worst by the poorest nations and the most vulnerable peoples and communities. Existing technologies are waiting to come online: cleaner fuels, alternative building materials, better batteries, and advances in farming and land use. And these and other innovations can have a major role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions so we can hit the Paris targets and inject the great ambition that is so urgently needed. Let us use the next year for transformational decisions in boardrooms, executive suites and parliaments across the world. Let us raise our sights, build coalitions and make our leaders listen. there is no more time to waste. As the ferocity of this summer's wildfires and heatwaves shows, the world is changing before our eyes. We are careering towards the edge of the abyss. It is not too late to shift course, but every day that passes means the world eats up a little more and the cost of our inaction mounts. Every day we fail to act is a day that we step a little closer towards a fate that none of us want. A fate that will resonate through generations in the damage done to humankind and life on Earth. Our fate is in our hands. The world is counting on all of us to rise to the challenge before it is too late. I count on you all.
There are 10 signs of a warming world.
Food wastage contributes to climate change. Waste food is usually put in landfills where it produces methane, a harmful gas.
Landfills produce up to 34% of all methane emissions.
And the emissions from factories causes air pollution and they contribute to global warming.
The emissions and fumes from cars and lorries are also harmful to the air and affect climate change.
So what can we do to protect and improve our environment?
Recycling 1 tonne of paper saves between 15 and 17 mature trees.
Recycling 1 tonne of paper can save enough energy to heat one home for 6 months.
We can help by reducing our use of energy and switching off lights when we leave a room.
We can turn off computers and TVs when we're not using them.
We can switch off the tap when brushing our teeth.
We can cut down on food waste.
We can walk or cycle to places instead of using the car.
We can make every day Earth Day.